welcome back to my channel. This is Gina, Rose Tarot. I'm gonna do some love reads for August. I know we're still in July, but I didn't do them all this month. I had a lot of stuff happen, personal stuff. So I am back and we're gonna get them done. I'm gonna do I want to do Scorpio. Yes, because I'm a Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Scorpio. Scorpios. What is going on in love? It's August 2021. I don't know about you guys, but I've had a rough one. July was not kind to me. So, it was not kind. Alright. Scorpio, you have 6 of Cups in the middle. Queen of Cups. 2 of Wands. Ace of Cups in the middle. Reversed. That's your challenge. And then the Wheel of Fortune is your outcome. You're thinking about the past. The 6 of Cups. Somebody's on your mind from the past. Here you are. You're in your headspace. You're in your own headspace. I feel like you're trying to resume yourself. Become yourself again. You had some kind of decision in the past. Ace of Cups in reverse. There's a lack of love, or you feel like there's a lack of love, and that's a barrier. And this is the outcome, the Wheel of Fortune. It's about the timing. 6 of Cups, please. What's going on? Some of you could be dealing with a child, or somebody that acts like a child. They haven't grown up yet. Just saying. 3 of Swords. This person hurt you deeply. And the pain, the Lovers, and the pain is still there. Because Scorpios tend to do that. We tend to hold on to stuff. Queen of Cups, please. Death. That makes sense because that's your card. It's over with. Yeah. 9 of Pentacles, but you're still thinking about it. Three of Cups in the past with the Queen of Wands and the 5 of Cups. 2 queens, there could have been a third party. Just saying. I hate to say that, but the 2 of Cups for that Ace of Cups in reverse. You're just not feeling like yourself. Ace of 8 of Wands, communication about love. Somebody wants to talk to you about love. Knight of Cups. Yeah, you're gonna get an offer from somebody. The Queen of Swords. Now we got 3 queens. Then we got the Emperor. Okay. Then we've got the 8 of Cups. Then we got the 8 of Coins. Working on this situation. the Empress, with the Emperor. Wow. What else do we have? Anything else for Scorpio? Why is the Hermit? I put the Hermit in the past. Anything else for Scorpio? The Nine of Swords. You gotta stop that. The King of Wands. Okay. The Moon. Could be dealing with a player. Six of Wands. You're gonna be okay. What's the next card out? That was the coin. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. Alright, Scorpio. So somebody hurt you, and it's still on your mind. Three of Swords, the Lovers. There was a choice made. Probably you were not the choice that this person made, obviously. And that hurt you. It's over. And you're doing okay. You really are. You may not feel like it, but you're doing good. You're doing okay. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Coins with Death. You are transforming into an independent person, Scorpio. Past. There was a decision made. Three of Cups. You wanted this to turn out to be some kind of nice celebration. Or happy. Maybe this is actually you also. You were confident in the past. But something happened. Five of Cups and the Hermit. It made you retreat. And it hurt you. Deeply. Deeply. But the problem is, you're not allowing love to come in. And it's coming. You may be stuck. The Hangman. You may be afraid somebody's gonna play games with you, Scorpio. Now, you do have an offer coming in, the Knight of Cups. But we have the Queen of Swords. I think this is you too. I think that you kind of like become real closed off to love. You don't want to deal with it. But we have, ta-da, the Emperor and the Empress. This is a divine union. Now, for some reason, you want to walk away from the hard work. Or maybe you don't want to put any kind of work in at all. Because of that, you've been really hurt. And you're still... Could be dealing with the King of Wands. He could be a player. The Moon could be a Pisces. Cancer, Pisces. You're gonna have victory. And you're gonna come to a place of peace and quiet. Scorpio. Look at that. And you're gonna use your intuition to get there. So, let's see what shadow stuff's going on for you in this connection. Whoa. Pain. Wow. Yeah, you're still feeling a lot of pain and emptiness. They even have the same kind of color on them. You feel empty and you feel pain. Gotta get out of that. What else for Scorpio? Can't stay in that energy, Scorpio. Gotta get out, honey. Refocus, yes. Definitely. Self-worth, yes. Somebody damaged your wow. Union, you're gonna meet somebody. Twin flame recognition and union came out. Signs, wow, and devotion. Ascending. Apparently you're gonna be fine. Because once you start to refocus, Scorpio, and work on your self-worth, good shit happens. You start to ascend. Twin flame. Union recognition. Devotion and signs. Wow. What does your person have to say to you? You inspire me. I feel at home with you. You feel home to me. I'm in a much better headspace. Somebody's trying to get their lives together. Anything else for Scorpio's person? I can't seem to find the right words to say to you. And our connection still affects me. Just have to do something right now. You have to understand. Please understand. Alright. This person, you feel like home to them. You inspire them. They're in a much better headspace, but they can't seem to find the right words to say to you. They have to do something right now. Please try to understand. The connection is still affecting your person. So if you think that the person that you dealt with isn't affected, they are affected. They may not be showing that it's been affecting them, but it's been affecting them. Okay, Scorpio. Let me give you one of these. Time to move on. Wow. You are the breath. You are your greatest gift. Your life's journey is your masterpiece. Number 28. You are the breath. Listen and connect your intuition. Number 9. Time to move on. Flow with the river. See where it takes you. Wow. Number 42. Yeah, Scorpio. Move on and move past whatever happened with you and this person. You got better things waiting for you down the road. I was gonna do one of those, but I decided not to. Sorry. I'll see you guys later. That was your reading. I love you guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.